Busted. First story I read was, I had gone out with this guy Paul a couple of times, and I could tell he liked me more than I liked him. I didn't know how to tell him that, so well I didn't. But when my crush Shane Dawson, just kidding, asked me to the movies, I couldn't say no. We had an amazing time. We shared popcorn, held hands, laughed out loud the entire time. At the end of the movie, the lights came up, and who was sitting behind me? Paul. I could tell he was heartbroken, not to mention horrified, to see me there with someone else. I felt so bad. Okay, this happens time and time again. By the way, it's August 23rd, 2010. I'm CCV Comsex. This happens time and time again when someone likes somebody. It's not like you were boyfriend, girlfriend. You didn't belong to him, so you basically could do what you want. And yeah, it's sad and horrifying, but you didn't know he was going to be at the movies by himself watching a movie. So don't feel bad because you didn't know. Just be nice, and yeah, he may be heartbroken, but you could just go up to him and be all like, I am so doubly sorry. I didn't know how to tell you, and I was trying to tell you in a nice way, but things got out of hand and blah 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 and all this bull crap. Hola. Okay, would you rather? Would you rather get caught by mom or dad? Be pushed or feel guilty? Be punished or feel guilty, sorry. Get yelled at or the silent treatment? No phone or no computer for a week? Tell on someone or get ratted out? Answer down below. Please do a video response, that'd be great, on what you got busted on. Bye!